Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2020 Kia Forte EX. Coming in this nice red color, this vehicle is powered by a 2-liter engine, has front-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we got that lovely backup camera, nice little EX logo right there, and the Forte. Little splash guards on the front and rear. We do get blind spot detection, turn light indicator mirrors, and move to the front real quick. We do have that nice license plate bracket and that nice Kia grille. Taking a look in the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo space. You even get a cargo mat protector, which is pretty freaking handy. You can collapse your last row by just pulling these down, which is pretty handy. You got hooks and doodads to hold your gear down as well. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray and black cloth interior. Got floor mats, carpeted interior, cup holders, and some door space. You got rear vents. And of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have manual seats with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Gas cap and trunk right there. Plenty of door space. Lights, blind spot, lane keep, and traction all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 107,184 kilometers. We do get this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle for your screen, cruise control, all that jazz, volume, playback, play forward, mute, voice, mode, phone, all that jazz. And looking at our screen here, we have our drive modes, which is normal, eco, and aggressive. We got our information, lane keeping, all that jazz, your vehicle settings, and fuel economy, cumulative info, drive info, digital speedometer, which is pretty handy. And to my right, we have our gear select. You do get your heated seats, drive modes, heated steering wheel, heated passenger seat, cup holders, little parking brake. Got storage below with a 12-volt. More storage here with USB, 12-volt, another USB aux, and you do get a wireless charging pad. Dual climate up front with all your climate controls and storage below. Got your infotainment system. And above me, we do have our features for our sunroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. And looking at our infotainment system, we do have audio, widgets, all that fun. For your audio, you do get AM, FM, but you do get Sirius XM, Bluetooth, all that fun. Got all your menus here, Sirius XM, aux, phone, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, My Menu, just all your basic apps if you download them. Any apps here, so Sirius XM, and vehicle setup, all conveniently right there. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B7875, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.